Welcome to our in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the latest evolution in foldable smartphones. If you're curious about what sets this device apart and whether it's worth the investment, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about design. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 continues Samsung's legacy of innovative foldable technology. With a more refined hinge mechanism and a slimmer profile, this device feels both premium and sturdy in hand. The build quality is top-notch, with a combination of metal and glass that not only looks sleek but also enhances durability. The hinge has been reinforced, offering a smoother folding experience with less visible crease on the screen. The hinge has also been re-engineered to be more resistant to dust and debris, ensuring longevity even with regular use. Now, let's unfold the magic. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a stunning 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or multitasking, the display offers vibrant colors and smooth visuals. The cover screen is equally impressive, measuring 6.2 inches, perfect for quick tasks and notifications. Samsung has also improved the screen's brightness and reduced reflections, making it easier to use in bright environments. Multitasking is where the Z Fold 6 truly shines. You can now open up to 3 apps on the main screen, thanks to the enhanced multi-active window feature. Drag and drop between apps with ease, making this device a productivity powerhouse. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. This means you'll get top-tier performance whether you are gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Samsung has also improved thermal management, so even under heavy use, the phone remains cool and responsive. Whether you are playing the latest mobile games or editing videos on the go, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 handles it all with ease. Samsung's One UI continues to be a perfect match for foldable devices. The Z Fold 6 comes with One UI 6.0, which is optimized for the foldable experience. The Flex mode allows you to split the screen between the top and bottom halves of the device, making it easier to take notes during video calls or watch videos while browsing the web. Samsung's partnership with Microsoft also brings deeper integration with Office apps, making document editing and collaboration seamless. Whether you are a multitasker, a productivity enthusiast, or just someone who loves a large screen, the software experience on the Z Fold 6 is second to none. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is equipped with a versatile triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 12MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Whether you are shooting in bright daylight or low light, the Z Fold 6 delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range. Night mode has been enhanced for even better low-light performance, and the phone's foldable design allows for unique camera angles and tripod-free long exposures. For video enthusiasts, the Z Fold 6 supports 8K video recording and advanced stabilization features, ensuring your videos look professional, even when shot handheld. Powering all this innovation is a robust 4500 mAh battery. While the battery life depends on your usage, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 can easily last through a day of heavy use. And when you do need a top-up, the fast charging feature gets you back to 50% in just 30 minutes, thanks to the 45W charger. Galaxy Z Fold 6 isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement of innovation and versatility. If you are looking for a device that combines cutting-edge technology with a truly unique experience, this could be the phone for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.